Hey guys, got a 2023 plate Ford Focus here. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure warning light on this one. So on this one, we're going to use the controls on the right hand side of the steering wheel and the screen in front of the steering wheel on the dash. So from here, we're going to press the menu button. Should take us to this menu. And then from here, you want to scroll down until you get to settings and then press OK. Then you scroll down to tyre pressure and press OK again. Now first, to make sure all your tyres are pumped up to the correct pressures. Now you want to hold OK. The line will go down, then it will say tyre pressure storing complete, and that's it.